Jaseng is a group of 14 non-operative spine hospitals in South Korea, where patients from all over the world are treated. I first learned about the hospital while interviewing Dr. Hoon Bae, an eminent Los Angeles spine surgeon and researcher who had recently paid Jaseng a visit and been very impressed. At Jaseng, the focus is on acupuncture, Tuina manipulation, herbal medicine, and exercise, rather than injections and spine surgery. I got in touch with Dr. Joon-Shik Shin, the founder and chairman of the facility. Within a couple of weeks, I was on my way to Seoul for my own visit. To be honest, I was not so sure that acupuncture had a valuable role in treating low back pain. Studies have shown repeatedly that traditional Chinese acupuncture, where needles are inserted into specific meridians, is no more useful than sham acupuncture, where needles are placed randomly, resulting, I suppose, in a placebo effect. I was curious, but also skeptical. But then I got to Jaseng and I saw what was going on. Depending on their conditions, patients got a combination of Korean Tuina manipulation, acupuncture, herbal medicine, and then there was exercise. I saw patients arrive in tremendous pain and leave smiling.
몸을 지탱 못한 거 이번이 처음이에요. 지금 뭐 지팡이 없이 지탱하고 있잖아요. 일단 확실히 응급조치로서 굉장히 탁월한 효과가 있네요.
Although it looks quite a bit like chiropractic treatment, Tuina manipulation is not chiropractic treatment. It's intended to restore blood flow to knotted muscles, which helps to relieve pain.
디스크가 탈출되게 되면은 급격한 통증과 함께 스패즘이 생겨서 근육이 뭉쳐짐으로 인해서 그 안에 있는 혈관이 좁아지게 되고, 그러면 혈액순환이 안 돼서 그 안에 영양물질이나 산소나 또는 노폐물들이 서로 통과하지 않기 때문에 몸에서 스스로 낫게끔 하는 자생력이 생기지 않고 회복력이 떨어져서 병이 점점 더 깊어가게 되는 것입니다.
스패즘이 와서 경직된 부분에 근육을 큰 침을 이용해서 계속적으로 자극을 줌으로 해서 근육의 경직된 부분을 풀어주는 것이 MST의 원리라고 볼 수가 있습니다.
MST를 통해서 굳어져 있는 근육, 스패즘을 풀어주게 되면 혈액순환이 되고 영양 공급이 돼서 제한되어 있던 운동량이 늘어나게 됩니다. 이럴 때 의사들이 양쪽에서 어깨를 견인해서 들어 올려줌으로 인해서 디스크에 가하는 압력을 떨어뜨려 준 상태에서 스스로 걷게끔 보조하면서 걷게 되면
이 MST를 통해서 서지 못했던 사람이 서게 되고 걷지 못했던 사람이 걷게 되면서 잃어버렸던 자생력을 서서히 회복해가는 과정이지만
Dr. Shin opened the first hospital facility in 1990. His father was a doctor of both Eastern and Western medicine, but when he fell and broke two vertebrae, Western doctors did not have an answer for him. It was Eastern medicine, especially Tuina, that helped him. Jaseng's doctors study at a college of Eastern medicine for 6 years, intern for 1 year, and then do a 3-year residency for a total of 10 years of training. Dr. Shin developed a compound called Shin barometin that appears to reduce inflammation in the inner vertebral discs and also may strengthen muscles and ligaments.
네, 염증이라는 건 모든 질환의 원인이거든요. 그래서 우리도 이 추나 약물의 항염증 효과를 과학적인 방법으로 한번 증명해 봤습니다.
저희 연구진의 연구 결과에 의하면 자생 추나 약물이 급성 염증 인자인 칵스2를 제어함으로써 염증 발생을 억제할 수 있다는 것을 확인할 수 있었습니다.
Many herbal medicines have been shown to be tainted with toxic chemicals, including high levels of mercury, and this is really a concern. But Jaseng Hospital uses only pure Korean herbal ingredients, which have received the United States Department of Agriculture's Good Agricultural Practices certification. The medications undergo a 2-step inspection process, during which they are considered both as raw ingredients and as prepared herbal medicines. This is done in order to ensure their safety. I was not going to leave Jaseng without undergoing my own treatment, which I needed after that long plane trip. It was not exactly relaxing. It was more of an active effort to get my muscles to let go. The acupuncture was a little painful, but immediately afterwards I felt the results. Exercise is a very important part of Jaseng's program, and I got to spend some time in the very well-equipped gym, working out on the MedX medical therapy unit and other machines. It was there in the gym that I met Simon Hurst, a 40-year-old investment banker who works and lives in Seoul, who had come to Jaseng in excruciating pain about a year before. And he was now completely healed and working on his fitness level with his Jaseng physiotherapist, Cho Yoon-jin. This was revolutionary, the kind of program we desperately need in the U.S., where surgery and interventional pain management procedures and painkillers are overused and the outcomes are so unimpressive. The work that goes on at Jaseng is now being implemented in clinics around the world, including in 2 Jaseng treatment centers in California.
Patients we see that have back problems that are typical have a long history with pain medication. And one of the foremost goals is to help them not to be further dependent upon pain medication to just live.
To anybody who has doubts, I invite them just to try. Because the beautiful thing about it is there is no side effects. It's based on non-invasive methods that don't destroy anything but build up strength and build up the body's resistance.
I was very impressed with what I saw happening at Jaseng, and if my low back pain becomes unmanageable at some point in the future, I'd seriously consider treatment there before I agreed to surgery. And you can be sure that whenever work takes me to Asia, I'm going to return to Jaseng for a tune-up.